Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can easily change your iPad's language. First, click on the settings and go to General. Now click on Language and Region, and as you can see here we have iPad's language, and you can choose whatever language you want. Now applying this setting will restore your iPad, and now click on Continue. As you can see, it's changing the language and it's changed, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.